So you were just telling me that you had a brain disease, and what did you do to fix it?
So
What was it, first of all?
it's temporal lobe epilepsy with mesial temporal sclerosis.
And when did you develop this?
We don't know, but I started having seizures like a few years ago, and everybody in my family knows I'm a neuroscientist. I say with a lowercase n, not a PhD neuroscientist, but
But you studied neuroscience.
yeah, I postgrad at Harvard and Duke, but they assumed, Chase has studied all this stuff. He's going to know if he's having seizures, but these seizures come with amnesia. So I didn't remember that I was having any of them. And this was like 3 years ago. I'd retired from the military and then started having these seizures. So then I found a neurologist. The drug that they gave me, the number one side effect was seizures from this pharmaceutical company. So I kind of looked around, and I found this guy's a functional medicine guy, and he got me on methylene blue to start off. And I know Mel Gibson was on here talking about it.
Mm-hmm.
And that instantly stopped everything. And some other stuff.
So it was a fabric dye, right?
Yeah, in 1890.
How weird.
And
Who the fuck drank it first? Who's that guy? Make blue jeans out of that? Huh.
Yeah,
Wonder what it tastes like.
Yeah.
What if I drink it every day if it affects my health?
It tastes like chewing an aspirin.
I'd take it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I take it every day as well. And
RFK Jr. told me about it.
Yeah, man, it's fantastic. And so this guy's injecting, in 1890, injects these rats with it and then does an autopsy on these things. And their brain, the brainstem, every single nerve is blue. So he discovered this methylene blue has an affinity for neuronal tissue. So he says, well, it's sucking into neurons. What's it doing? So we could talk about if you want to, but
Sure.
How it's working and working in the body. So we started putting it in humans. And we found out it's an MAOI, which is just
monoamine oxide inhibitor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which helps with depression and anxiety and all kinds of life stress and stuff.
Does it cause side effects if you're taking any drug that you shouldn't take with an MAOI?
There are some studies that have been recalled that said you can't take it with SSRIs because you could develop serotonin syndrome.
Right.
But they did recall the study as far as I'm aware. And it is so incredible that it acts as an electron donor to mitochondria, especially your neuronal mitochondria. So it helps you produce more ATP, and it helps you get rid of this stuff called reactive oxygen species. So you have an oxygen molecule that should have two hydrogens on it, and like your body's job is to convert stuff into water so you can pee it out.